This is Malin, a forest troll that recently appeared in Austin. They're one of over 100 other forest trolls sitting, laying, or just doing whatever.
I had heard about the troll installations other places in the country, so we made it a special outing today to come see it after the eclipse.
Malin and their siblings are made of mainly recycled material by Danish recycling artist Thomas Dombo. Malin's hair, for example, is made of local cedar root. Dombo sees his trolls as protectors of nature.
Everyone gets to enjoy this instead of it just sitting there in a scrapyard or the landfill.
Last year, Austin experienced a record-breaking 80 days of over 100-degree weather. Dombo saw this and he gave the friendly troll a bowl for people to pour their extra water into, for squirrels and birds to drink from. If you were a forest creature, would you drink from Malin's offering?
Absolutely. I would share it with all my other critter friends.